Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're all well. So in this video I'm just going to kind of give you a bit of an insight into my job and what I do at work. So obviously this isn't a day-to-day kind of thing. Day-to-day I'm just in the office, I'm on my laptop programming a HMI or a PLC, or I'm on like our shop floor wiring a unit, which, you know, it's a bit boring slash not really possible for me to share that. But when I'm on site, it's, you know, easier for me to pull out my camera and start recording stuff, especially when you got these massive machines. So these are two machines that we have down in Birmingham, which we look after. My company, they did the control systems for both the presses. So, you know, we did the PLC code plus the HMIs, which actually run like custom proprietary built software from one of the guys at work using a programming language called Delphi, which is cool slash old slash complicated slash kind of extinct, but it's quite cool to see. So here you've got manipulators, which they're basically massive big machines that are on rails, like almost like a train, and then they have these big manipulator claw grips on the front of them, and they're used to pick up the massive bits of titanium that they have that come just hot out of a furnace. And then what they do is they then grab them and then put them underneath a forging press, and then that press will then, either if it's a hammer press, like hammer them down, and then the manipulator will be used to rotate. So you can see here, this is it rotating. So that manipulator will be used to actually grab the billet, the hot bit of metal, and rotate. And as that press is coming down, that press will be hitting it and then shaping it into a round bar. And so this is the big control room, kind of big, quite cool really, above this massive machine. It's a bit crazy really. Like, so this machine here that you're looking at, it's got two manipulators there and then a forging press in the middle, and it's a multi-axial press, so it presses from 4 different ways, and that makes them, I think it's £50 million profit a quarter, which is just absolutely mental. But yeah, I mean, titanium's worth a lot, so it's quite cool to see that, you know, we're working on, you know, systems which make companies a hell of a lot of money. So yeah, my job was to basically, they have this software here, and it's used to log various different transducers and actuators around the machine. And that system, that software failed, which is custom proprietary software made by my company, actually made like 25 years ago as well. So my job was to go down there and get that software working, because maintenance use it so that they can log various different pressures and various different voltages and whatever's going on the machine whilst they're forging. If they can't quite get something right, this software will log that data, and then they can view it and they can see what's happening, and then they can diagnose the problem. So my job was to go down there and get this working, which we had 2 days to do it, and thankfully we did it over 2 days, which was nice. So yeah, I'm going to try and share more of what I'm doing when I'm going on site. I think it's quite cool to see the various different locations. It's also cool to see, like, you know, as a controls engineer, if you type in control engineering in YouTube, you're probably going to see most of the boring stuff, or you might see a few panels. But, you know, I'm guessing, I don't know, for privacy, security slash, you know, just corporate, you know, most people don't share it, so I thought I'd try and share it with you. And yeah, hopefully I don't get in too much trouble for doing so. If you enjoy it, leave a like. And yeah, I have been on site so far 3 times now. So I started working 5 months ago, so I've been on site 3 times. The first one was a very simple forging press. This one was 2 presses. One was quite simple, one was a lot more complicated. And then the third visit was actually for an aerospace company, which I've got some cool videos, so I'll share that hopefully in an upcoming video. So yeah, cool guys, take care, I'll see you in the next one.